Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you know me, you know I travel a lot, so I wanted to get myself a little toiletry set of things that I can travel with easier than having all these separate tubes for my shampoo and everything else. And also, I ended up over the 3 ounces on one of my things on my shampoo, and I ended up having to leave the whole bottle, which sucked. But okay, so let's see what we got here. So it looks like there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of these types of bottles here. And these are cool ones because they are silicone and flexible, and they got the snap top, and it's kind of got the little squeeze top there, so you can. These are great for shampoo and all, and so you can open it up like that, so you got plenty of space to fill it in. So I love these. These ones here are my shampoo bottle ones, and so we've got the 4 different colors of those. There's the little squirt brushes. I guess this would be probably for a little spritzer, so something like that. I mean, if you had some spray perfume or something, you could probably use it for that. I don't know if I have anything that sprays like that. Well, oh, I do. I have some like hair growth serum, so I actually probably end up using this too because those are too big as well. There's this whole squirt bottle one, so that's kind of cool if you wanted to have just some hand soap, something like that to keep by the side of the bathroom while you travel. If you want like your own hand soap or lotion or something like that, then that would be that one. We get 4 of these little jars here. So these are good for little makeup things and stuff, I think. Let's see, how do you open these? How does this open? It looks like it's a screw top. It is. Screwed on very much. So you can fill it up there. You can put this extra little cap on it there, and then screw it on, so that'll really keep it nice and safe. So good for little creams or lotions or lip balms or whatnot. There is a little bunch of stickers, so you can put these on the things, so you can kind of see what they are. And then also came with a few different things here. Let's show you these. These are little spoons here for filling the little applicators or whatnot. And it came with, so there's 4 of those, and it came with a little funnel, which will hopefully make it a little easier to fill up some of these things. So that's it, and it's the whole little travel kit here, and it came with the little bag too. So everything fits in there, and it has a little cleaning brush as well, so you can clean up all the stuff. So very cool, nice little convenient little travel bag. That's the barcode for it there, but I like it, thumbs up.